guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're going to open another toy from McDonald's. It's called a Acceleration.
Acceleration. What?
It's very hard to pronounce, right? Look at this. I went a lot of times to McDonald's, so I have a lot of
You
these.
got a lot of Happy Meals, right?
Yeah, so I also have superhero girls and mermaids and all that stuff. I also have a blue box. So now let's open it.
And you know McDonald's just downstairs, right?
Yeah.
Something
Just that.
which is so close to our apartment.
I'll open the rest.
You can walk to McDonald's within.
5 minutes.
No, it's just 50 yards, so close. Or even less. And we got a bowling alley downstairs too.
I only opened it a half. It's pullback crane.
It's a pullback toy.
Ah. Let's try it again. Whee! Okay, look at this.
Oh, that's what we call acceleration.
What is acceleration?
You mean increase the speed. Oh,
The bot is dead. The bot is go too fast.
can we have a close up on the bra?
Box. This is the book.
You see the spotlight is on him, right?
What is a spotlight? Okay. I just turned something. Okay, so bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye!